I clearly have the gift of gab. I like to talk to people. Not everybody does. And not all of our franchise owners do, but that doesn't mean you can't be successful. It just means you need to have a blabbermouth that you hire to come work for you so that they can go out and do the kissing of the babies and the handshakes and everything like that goes along with, promoting your business. Because really, you're only going to get out of the franchise what you put into it. And to be blunt, if you sit on your ass and wait on the phone to ring, it's not going to happen, right? You got to go make it ring. We will send you stuff, obviously, and my phone rings all the time. But you also have to go out and promote and network and build relationships in the community, get involved with the local charities, get your name out there. Because, like I said before, nobody thinks about this until it happens to them. And that's why it's so important in our business to be out there and doing that. Because you never know when a person you've met at a Chamber of Commerce meeting, maybe they don't have a disaster issue, but their mother-in-law calls them and said, "Oh my God, I have a flood. What do I do?" And they remember they talked to you and give you, your card out. Those are the little things that you have to be putting your time and energy into building. And they're not going to pay off immediately, not when you're brand new, but, even here I'm 6 months in at this point. And we've just really started getting those referral opportunities. Like I had a plumber that I've used on several projects. He sent me a restoration project. I have an insurance person that I know who has a mold remediation job. So they it's part of a house sale. I'm not going to get into the details on this one, but those little actions add up over the long run. And like, in my market, using Google for generating ads or generating work from ads has been pretty successful. I think our cost per lead acquisition in this specific market is lower than a lot of the other markets around here. And that's been advantageous for us. I don't blow through my budget every month. But at the same time, for the last 2 weeks, I've had one job that came in from Google, but I have other projects that have come in from other sources. And that's really what it's about. You have to diversify. Google is fantastic, but you can't solely rely on it. And there are going to be peaks and valleys. It's a seasonal business. This summer when we were operating here, I was probably 85% mold damage, and I did 2 fire jobs as well. And then so far since about October, it's been completely the opposite. I've done one one mold job and a ton of water projects. Also just kind of plays into climate and geography. So I think understanding how your business is going to be successful in your market is very much related to understanding your geography, understanding weather patterns, understanding, what times of the year are going to be maybe your leaner months versus your more successful months. Because there is going to be, it's not like every single month is going to be boom, 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 boom.